Recent progress in object detection has been driven by large, manually annotated datasets. However, image annotation is highly time-consuming and expensive. Weakly supervised methods largely underperform with respect to fully supervised alternatives and often result in partial or oversized detections. In this work, we exploit a low-shot set of fully annotated images to both learn an object detector and an online annotation module of weakly labeled images. This module provides a many-shot set of annotated images and annotation confidence scores. The module and the many-shot set are continuously updated during training. Our results show that images annotated with high confidence contain high-quality annotations and can be successfully used as additional supervision to achieve state-of-the-art performance.